This is Shanghai-Bangxin Trading Co., Ltd. We are professional supplier of construction machines, like excavators, loaders, bulldozers, graders, cranes, etc. The Hitachi zx70 excavator is a compact yet powerful machine designed for a variety of construction tasks. Its fuel-efficient engine and advanced hydraulic system provide smooth, precise operation, making it ideal for excavation, landscaping, and roadwork projects. The zx70 is known for its durability and reliability, ensuring long-term performance in challenging conditions. Please make inquiry for us or contact us. Thanks for your view. www.bx-usedexcavator.com